Hi there, so today we're going to be talking about fascinator holders. Yes, those are the things we use to attach the fascinators to our head. Now they are different types and they are determined by, first of all, the type of fascinator that you are wearing. Some you cannot fix up to it, some you have different options that you can select from. Then also, aside that, we need to also check out what type of hairstyle would you be wearing. Is it braids? Is it attachment? What do you call it? Okay, the other one is weaving. Is it attachment, braids rather? Is it weave on, or are you on a low cut? Now that will also determine the type of fascinator holder you will use. Also, you would have to know the taste of the client. Some clients don't like some particular type of fascinator holders. Then also the placement of the fascinator on the head, how do you want to place it, would also determine the fascinator holder. Now let's look at comb. Now looking at the comb, you can see that with the comb you can only use it for like low cut hair, but not too short. The comb, the what do you call it, the tips of the comb have to enter. Then you can also use it for weave on. Aside that, you can't use it for any other thing. But aside that, the advantage of using a comb on a fascinator is that you can place the fascinator anywhere on your head. Isn't that great? Okay, now we look at clips. Now clips come in different sizes and also they have some different shapes, making it fanciful and the rest, but these are the ones I'll show you the pictures for now. Now with clips, you can actually use them on any hair type. The only thing is that when you use it for where you have woven the hair, it can spoil that part of the weaving. But clip also, like the comb, makes you to be able to place it anywhere on your head. Anywhere you can put it, front, back, right, left, center. The next one we'll be looking at is your elastic band. Now we have the one that comes in roll, and so you have to cut it out the inches you want, and we have the one that is already round. Do you understand that you can cut out and use? Now these ones also, you can use them actually on any hair type. But the thing about it is that it can only position going around 300 degrees, 360 degrees around the head. Do you understand what I'm saying? That's the position you can place it when using elastic band. Now the last one we have to show you is our Alice band. Now it comes in different lengths. For the top part, you have the one of 1 cm, 2 cm, 1.5 cm and above, as you can see in the picture I'm showing you here. Now you have to determine which of them you want to use. Most times I base it concerning the according to the size of the fascinator. Do you understand? And also some fascinators you really can't put the Alice band in it. You have to make use of elastic band. And the Alice band, now for hair types, you can actually use it on any hair type really, but sometimes it won't really come out when you've woven your hair so fine like that. But some people do use it like that, but any hair type is also okay. So those are my tips on fascinator holders, when you can use them, what style, what hairstyle, and also remember, it also has to do with the taste of your client. Now you can find the list, Amazon and Aliexpress links to these fascinator holders in the description below. So till we meet next time, check out this next video and give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to this great channel where you get to know so many things about fascinator.